Alright boys, you're here to find the best $800 PC and we're going to give that to you. We're going to be looking at the best specs that you can get for 800 bucks. As always, we're going through our Amazon list and follow the same PC build criteria, which includes all parts must be brand new, no used parts on this build, and all parts must be available at the time of recording. So, we're basing our list off Amazon US, but for everyone else outside the region, you can always use this as a basis for your build. If you've got any questions, just put it down in the comment section. We always try to read that. Alright, let's go. For our platform, we're going for an Intel build this time around. Now with $800 in our budget, the latest AM5 platform from AMD still remains to be a poor value. So what we're opting to go for, our processor, is the Intel Core i5-12400F. This is one of our favorite processors. It comes with the standard 6 cores and 12 threads configuration. No efficient cores on this one, but just pure 6 performance cores on Intel's 12th generation architecture. It's priced at $165 boys. It's decent and can play all of our competitive games. Now, although our 12400F does come with their own box stock cooler, the thing is, that's not enough to keep this thing cool. Yes boys, unfortunately Intel's processors are a bit hot nowadays and their stock thermal solution may not be enough to keep it at decent temperatures. So, we'll need an aftermarket solution, and what we've selected here is the ID Cooling SE214 ARGB. Nothing fancy on this one, a standard tower cooler with 120mm ARGB fan, which you can sync with your motherboard. Comes with 4 heat pipes. It's compatible with a socket LGA 1700. Comes with black or white depending on what you want, but we're picking black on our build, and this is only about 20 bucks. For our motherboard, we're once again going with a B660 motherboard. The B660 chipset gives us a good balance of features, decent PCIe lanes, and what we've selected here is the Maxon Terminator B660. Yes boys, the Terminator, and it's a Maxon.
Come with me if you want to live.
You probably haven't heard of this brand before. It's a Chinese motherboard, but it's a pretty decent one. This one is currently on sale at $111, and do note boys, not all B660 motherboards are equal. Some have thermal issues and can limit your overall performance. However, Unbox has previously tested the step-down model of this board, which is the Challenger, and it performed really well. The Terminator is a higher tier motherboard for Maxon, so you would expect a much better performance compared to its smaller brother. This board comes with pretty decent features. As mentioned, comes with 8+1+1 power stages for its VRM with a pretty huge heatsink, and this will keep things cool. We've also got 3 PCIe NVMe slots, which 2 of those are PCIe 4.0, 1 is a PCIe 3.0. There are 4 RAM slots. We've got RGB slots there as well, 2 for the 5V, which is the ARGB, and 1 for the standard one. And this motherboard also comes with a clear CMOS button, which doesn't come with any other board in this price. So for $111 boys, grab this one. Now Amazon has probably detected that not a lot of people are interested on this board, hence why it's dropping the price with its algorithm. So bag this one before the algorithm picks up that a lot of people are buying this one. For our memory boys, we're going to keep this simple. We want 16GB RAM with 3600 MHz speeds, and what we pick is the Gale Orion RAM kit. This one boys is currently on sale at $46. As mentioned, we've got everything we need here. Decent speeds at 3600 MHz, timings are also decent, and the dark aesthetics is an added bonus. Comes with that like little ventilation over there, but you know, it's cool. Same thing for our storage boys. We're just going to keep this really simple. We'll just need an NVMe here, and the cheapest one with the most warranty is the Silicon Power 512 NVMe. It has 2200 megabytes per second read speeds, 300 dBW, and a 5-year limited warranty, all for 30 bucks. So you don't need to think about this one, just bag this. Before we proceed boys, do note that we do these PC build specs guide every month on different price points. So if you're planning to build a new PC in the next few months, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on the deals that we're trying to highlight. Alright, let's go back to For the graphics card, we're going for the best bang for the buck, and what we've selected here is the XFX Speedster Quick 308 RX 6650 XT. Yes boys, we're going with AMD this time around, and this card is pretty good value. I mean, look at the performance of this one, boys. This is much faster than the RTX 3060, and obviously its smaller brother, which is the RX 6600 XT, and it performs really closely to the 3060 Ti. So it comes with 8GB of VRAM, a triple fan design which ensures that thermals will be good, and I just like the XFX design here. It's just slick, black, and minimalistic, and this one is just priced at $310, so that's a pretty good deal. Now, if you only want Nvidia cards, you will have to settle with a much slower card, like a really slower card. Normally I would suggest the RTX 2060 in here, but there's not much of that going around anymore, so you'd probably have to settle with this one, the RTX 3050. The performance difference between this against the RX 6650 XT is like night and day. Alright, no contest. But hey, if you're happy with familiarity and you want a much slower card, then this is your only option. Alright, unfortunately. But don't get this. Get the RX 6650 XT. And to power our system, we don't really need much power, but hey, we can have 750 watts at a decent price, so why not, right? And what we picked here is the Thermaltake Smart PM2 750 watts power supply. This is a semi-modular power supply, boys, 80 plus bronze and 750 watts for 65 bucks. So what's not there to like, right? It doesn't require much thinking. Just get this, add this to the cart right now. To house all of this, we need a decent case, and if you're a fan of the channel, you know that we always prefer functionality over aesthetics, and that means that we want good airflow. This time around, we're going for a deep cool case, and this is the Deep Cool CH370 Micro ATX case. It comes with an airflow center design, boys. Now, unfortunately, it only comes with one fan at the back, but look at what else we're getting. Right, we've got a pretty decent air-focused minimalistic design, magnetic tempered glass, a retractable headset holder, a built-in GPU support bracket. Like this one I really like. It's just amazing to have this on a case, and it's compact. This also comes with black or white and priced at $60, and you can add fans later down the track if you want, but this case is definitely a good base for our build, so yes. So let's all look at what we've got, boys. We have the Core i5-12400F for $165, ID Cooling Tower Cooler for 20 bucks, a Maxon B660 motherboard at $112, 3600 MHz RAM kit for 46 bucks, 512GB NVMe storage $30, the RX 6650 XT at $310, 750 watts semi-modular power supply for 65 bucks, and a deep cool case for 60 bucks. That comes to a total of $807. This is an amazing deal for the price, and as always, we've got the links of the products in the description. If you have any questions, just pop it down in the comment section. We'll be doing another $1,000 PC build in the next couple of weeks, and we'll probably do some more GPU testings as well. So if you're interested in that one, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out, and we'll see you guys over there.